In this program, we are going to learn about how to display a Fibonacci series. So whenever you want to display a Fibonacci series, we will be first taking a Fibo limit. So I have declared a script tag inside the body tag, and first I am asking user to specify the Fibo limit. Using a prompt, I have displayed a message to the user, enter a number for the Fibo limit. Using prompt, we will be having a message and a text box where user can enter a number. Number will be always in the text format. So we have converted it to integer using a method parseInt, and then we are storing it in a variable. Using let, I have declared a n variable, and whatever number user will enter in a text box, I am taking it, converting it to integer, and then storing it in a variable. I have declared few variables over here using a let keyword. A value as 0, B as 1, result value will be initially 0 and 1. So that's the initial number under the Fibonacci series 0 and 1. I have just displayed it under the result variable as 0 and 1. Now I started with the for loop. Over here you can see for loop initialization I have given as I is equal to 2. I is the variable I am using for the for loop. Initial value instead of 0 I am starting with 2 because two numbers I have already displayed. And then I am saying I less than n, I plus plus. So n is nothing but the limit up to which number you want to display the output. For example, if user has entered the limit as 5, 0 and 1 are already displayed. Then the loop will start with 2, I less than 5. That means I value will work for 2, then 3 and 4. As soon as the I value will become 5, it will come out of the loop. So that's the reason we started with 2 and we have specified the condition as I less than n. So let us check what we have written under the for loop. So I have declared one more variable C to store the addition of A plus B. Whenever you are saying a Fibonacci series, you will be having two numbers. So initial number will be 0 and 1, and the next number will be generated just by adding the previous two numbers. So 0 and 1, next number will be 0 plus 1, that is 1. Next number if I want to generate, I will be taking the previous two number, which is 1 plus 1. Next number will be 2. If I want to generate the next number, it will take again the previous two number and it will add it, and then it will generate the next number. So let's check up to this how the program will work. This is a prompt where I will be entering the number. Suppose I have entered the number as 8. That means 8 numbers I want to display on the screen. So all of you can see 8 numbers I have displayed on screen. And every time the new number, initial number will be 0, 1. New number will be generated just by adding the previous one. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. And then 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. So that is how it get displayed. So how it get displayed up? So for that purpose, I have declared a C variable which will store the value of A plus B. Initially, A value is 0, B value is 1. So 0 plus 1, 1 will get stored under the C variable. We are just displaying it. Okay, so output will be 1. Over here, I have done concatenation, or you can say merge using the plus operator. So previous value 0, 1 will be as it is, plus the C value will be merged into it, which is 0, then 1, then 1, and then I have just added a space. So all of you can see the result 0, 1, that's the initial result, then 1 get printed under the same result variable, then the space is added. Now I just have to interchange the value of the variable. Now my A will become B and now my B will become value of C. So that's why I have specified over here A is equal to B, B is equal to C, because initially this is 0 and 1 are my A and B. Next time this is my A and this is my B. So that's why I have specified A is equal to B, B is equal to C. And this loop will work until the limit is reached. So limit I have given using n. And at the end, once the limit is reached, we will be coming back from the for loop, and whatever is present under the result variable, we are displaying it. So how result variable will be holding the value? Initially it will be holding 0, 1. Next time 0 plus 1, 1 it will be holding. Next time 0, 1, 1 and 1 plus 1, 2 will be holding. This is how it will be holding the complete result up to the limit. So always whenever you are displaying the result, always display it after the for loop or any of the loop. Otherwise in between the loop, if you are displaying the result, it will come number of times. So instead of that, always it is better to display the result after completing the loop. Over here I have included curly bracket for the loop because you can see there are 4 statements inside the loop. If there is only one statement, then there is no requirement to write the curly bracket. If in your program, if you have any error and if you want to check if the result is not coming, you can just right click and inspect, and over here under console you can see the error. If it is there, you can see it under console. Okay, so over here it will show it using a red color what is that particular error is. So you can see the console right now, it is not having any error. That's why the program is giving output. If any error is there, suppose we have not closed the for loop, suppose this is how I'm saving it. File, save as, save the file with the name, all files, go to the folder where you have saved it and open it using a browser. So all of you can see I cannot see the result because for loop is not ended properly. So right click, go to inspect, and then you can see under console you have a error. So it is showing the error. Line number 15 is having an error, unexpected end of input. Okay, so that's the error, line number 15. So we will just open our notepad and we will check the line wise in which line the error is there. And if you are always writing the program with tab spacing, so that you will be having idea where we have declared the variable, where we started the loop, where we have given the curly bracket. So closing curly bracket, immediately you can recognize. So this is the line where we have an error. We sorted it, Control S, save, and then refresh your program. So now it will work. So you can see as I have entered the limit as 4, only 4 values I can see in my output. So that is about the Fibonacci series. Thank you all of you.